Hey folks, welcome back.
Here we are.
Here we are. Guess where we are? It's been a while, but we are back.
At the range.
The range, one of the happiest places on earth. And it's dead quiet here today for some reason. So for the time being, we have the place to ourselves.
We'll be making the only pews.
Yeah. We got some cool stuff going on. We got the SunRise kid and his Tikka T3 here.
Trying out a new bipod today.
Yeah, trying out a new bipod. Picked up at
Island Outfitters.
Island Outfitters here on the island, Vancouver Island.
Yeah.
Fabulous west coast of Canada.
It is. Made by Champion, this bipod.
Oh, Champion, okay.
Yeah. Made in Taiwan.
Made in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Join us.
So yeah, we're just here having a bit of fun, and we thought we'd bring you along. So we're just going to show some stuff here. He's going to shoot some 223. I have my new Baikal shotgun that I'm dying to put some slugs through on. I'm going to shoot some at 25 yards there and just see where the two barrels are going.
Two-pipe shoot gun. It's beautiful.
Yeah, should be fun. Okay, let's get you hooked up. Have you seen this guy's rig?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty impressive, I've been told.
Yeah. We've got the hook, the trigger finger, the butt bra to hold the butt of the rifle.
And the entire vest just to complete the look. Merci bien.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Smuck. I heard that one.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Okay, well, while the kid is doing this thing with his 223, I am trying out my new Baikal side-by-side shotgun. I've got some of these
Cellier and Bellow.
Cellier and Bellow rifled slugs, and I'm going to put a couple down each pipe and see where they land on the target there at 25 yards. Get that tucked in. Put the bead in the center. Don't know where that went.
Didn't hit the target, sir.
No idea. No idea.
Hi. You're high.
Okay, well I was shooting, it's going really high with the cellar and below, but I'm not really used to shooting this yet, so I gotta kind of get used to where I'm aiming. I am going to try now some of these Challenger slugs, these little shorties, and see how we do with that. I'm going to aim a little low.
A little bit high. Just above the target. Oh, wow. It's on the target.
That's better. Okay, guys. Well, I have got a target there at 25 yards. I've got 2 Cellar and Below. I've got 2 Winchester, and I've got 2 Challenger, all rifled slugs. Let's see. These would be the highest velocity. And then the Cellar and Below. The Winchesters, the Cellar and Below, and then the Challengers, descending order. And I'm just going to try and aim in the same spot and shoot all 6, and we'll see what happens.
I'm watching.
Start with the little guys. Okay.
Little high.
Okay. Go with the Cellar and Below.
All at the same elevation. The last shot was just on the outside ring of the target.
Woo!
Wow!
Yikes!
Was that both triggers at the same time?
No, it was not.
Wow, what a flash. That was awesome.
Wow.
Same hole. That's a tack driver there, son.
Wow. Let's see what's going on. Okay. That marked up hole was already there. Those were the last 2. That's the Winchester through the same hole. So we'll have to look back and see which was which. But these ones would be the Cellar and Below and the shorts. Wow. But that's not bad. All right, well, a quick bit of fun. Hope you're mildly entertained.
That was fabulous, eh?
We had a little fun. I guess this wasn't very long, was it? We haven't been here long.
No, not long, but it was worthwhile to see that 12-gauge slug, the Winchester.
What a huge difference between those little shorties, the little Challenger slugs, the shorties. 1,200 feet per second on those. I think the Cellar and Below are like 14 something because they're reduced recoil. And then that Winchester, I think they're 16. But man, do you ever feel the difference?
And the flame. I
Yeah.
felt the warmth.
Yeah, he's telling me he saw some good flame on that one. So maybe we'll be able to find that in the video.
Oh, it was exciting. Thank you.
But a fun gun, this thing. You're going to see this a bunch of times, I think.
Also from Island Outfitters.
Oh, that's right, yes. Thanks to the guys at Island Outfitters and the fellow who had this for sale in there, who accepted my offer. Thanks for accepting my offer.
Beautiful stuff.
Yeah.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. We'll see you again soon. Make sure you also support the CCFR, Canadian Coalition for Firearms Rights here in Canada. Super important. Join, find them on Facebook, Instagram, all of that stuff, and give them a like, a thumbs up, okay?
Join the club.
Join the club, yeah.
We need you.
Yeah, join the club. Give a donation. Don't just give them a thumbs up. Yeah.
Rod.
They're doing some serious legal work for us on our behalf. So it is
imperative to give them our support.
See you again soon, guys.
Nailed it.
Yeah.